It's time for another new Kansas City Spotlight. Here's your host, Lauren Scott.
Living with peripheral neuropathy can be painful, but over at Restore Muscle and Joint, they want to help you live a healthier and pain-free life. I'm Lauren Scott, your host for Kansas City Spotlight, and today I'm joined by Dr. Kendra Pearson to learn all about it. Good morning, Dr. Pearson. How's it going?
Good morning.
So can you tell me a little bit about what peripheral neuropathy is?
Well, peripheral neuropathy is a disease of the peripheral nervous system. So it mostly affects the patient's feet, hands, and legs. And it is where the nervous system is damaged. It can cause symptoms like burning, tingling. It can be very painful. It can even cause the patient's hands or feet to feel freezing or cold. It can progress to numbness, where the patient feels like they're walking with socks on or even have a squishy feeling under their feet. It can even eventually lead to balance problems, and the patient can become a fall risk. It can eventually affect their ability to walk and move and have quality of life.
What is your approach to treatment at Restore?
Well, we take a very different approach when it comes to peripheral neuropathy. Typically with peripheral neuropathy, there are no cures. And in the medical model, they treat with medications, which can do very well with helping mitigate the patient's symptoms, but it doesn't stop the disease from progressing. And eventually those medications may not work anymore, and the patient is left, with a progressive disease. So we look at the health of the patient's body, and we use natural modalities to restore the circulation to the nerves and give the nerves what they need to heal. But it is important to catch it early, because there is a point where the disease progresses to where even the modalities we use may not change the patient's outcome. So we do a detailed exam, and we do a screening to determine if we can help, and we're always honest with our patients how much value we can get.
How long will it take for someone to see results in something like this?
Well, it really depends patient to patient, how long they have had it, what that cause is, and that's why we take time in our office getting to know our patients, finding their true health, what the cause of their neuropathy is, so that way we can address it appropriately. And we're always honest with our patients where they're at with their progression, how much help we can get, and if we can help them.
Okay, so if people want to learn more about this, get in touch with you, Dr. Pearson, how can they do that?
Yes, of course. So they should visit our website. There's information there, and then also call our office directly. We hold a seminar in our office for people to learn more about peripheral neuropathy. However, if they are suffering and they truly want some answers, I really encourage them to call and get a hold of us, because seating is limited. We only have 15 seats available for people to learn more, but it is completely free. And we also do a nerve damage screening at that visit, so we can see if we can help.
All right, well, thank you so much for being here with us today.
Thank you.
This Kansas City Spotlight has been paid for by Restore Muscle and Joint. For more information, visit restoremuscleandjoint.com.